In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to create a new YouTube channel on your phone. Either you're using an Android phone or you're using an iPhone. I'm going to be showing you step by step on how to do that. And if you think this video is going to be helpful, please don't forget to hit the subscription button. And don't forget to be part of this community. Drop a comment below if this video turns out to be helpful. And I'm going to be replying your question, and I'm going to be glad if you do so. So let's dive into creating this new channel.
What you need to do is go to your YouTube app. So if you don't have a YouTube app, you can go to your Chrome browser and type on youtube.com. Sorry, I think youtube.com, and it's going to bring you to this interface. So on this interface, you're going to go to where it says this is youtube.com login. So how to start and manage your YouTube channel. So you're going to come to where it says youtube.com login. So once you are there, so it's going to bring you to your account. So this is my account now. So this is basically for people who doesn't have the app. Okay, but if you have the app, it's very simple. You come to the plus sign and add your plus sign. So this place now, we are going to be creating a new channel. So all I have to do is come to this place where it say add or manage your channel. So I'm going to be adding a new channel. So this is how you add your new channel. And so you see the place where it say all channels, you see the place where it says plus create a channel. So you come to that place where it say create a channel, you tap on it. So when you tap on it, you see where it says your name, then your YouTube handle. So it also says select profile. So you tap on your name. So depending on what you want to answer, so I think I'll be going with Kamsi. This is my baby's channel. Let's say Kamsi's channel, Kamsi TV. So I'm going to be using this as Kamsi TV, and here is you can select a photo, choose from device. Okay, see place where you say device photos, then you come to browse or take a photo. So I'm going to be choosing from my library, photo library. So basically I wouldn't want to use this picture for this, but it's going to be his channel. So I'm going to be looking for okay, let's use this as it's Kamsi TV. So let's see how it works. So it's uploading. Let's wait for it to upload. So it's my baby's TV, and I wouldn't want his face to show that much, but anyways, so all we need to do now is tap on done. So we've tapped on done. Let's see if that will create. So you can basically add any picture you want to add on your channel. Yes, you can add any picture at all that you want to add. So as you can see, then you tap on create channel. Let's see this. So as you can see, you've created a new channel. Voila. So it says customize channel, then manage videos. So basically this is Kamsi's TV. And guys, please, if this TV pops out in your FYP or anyway, please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so when you come to this place, you see customize your channel, then manage videos. So all you need to do is come to the place where it says customize your channel. So let's see this. So let's wait for it to load. So here where it says customize your channel, you already know that before you are going to be doing this, you already have your channel banner and all that. Like now this Camsys TV, I don't have channel banner for it, but this is how you're going to do it. You come to this place where it says upload. You come to where it says also, you see the place where they says for the best results on all devices, use an image that is at least 2048. Like this, you can use that. So you tap on the upload. So once you tap on upload, it's going to be asking you for a file that you're going to be using. So I did not create this. I would have chosen a file for this. So you go to Canva and create a YouTube banner for this. Okay, so but if you want me to do a video on how to create a YouTube banner and add it up on this, please don't forget to leave a comment below and I'm going to show you that. So you can also come here and change. So but I'm going to be changing this photo. I'm going to give my baby a nice shot, then I'm going to add it here. So we are going to see description. So here is where you are going to be adding your description, what your YouTube video is all about. If it's kids video, TV or whatever, you're going to be adding it up here. So that is this, you're going to be adding it up here, and you see where it said add language. You can add your language here. So this is your YouTube link and your email. You can add your contact info and all that. So this is place where it says upload. So this place is where you're going to add something that like watermark, so that people won't upload your videos and start making use of it as their own content. Okay, so it will always have a watermark. So you have to come to your home tab. So this is your home tab. If you have had videos already in your channel, make sure you always come to your home tabs in order for you to turn it on. Okay, so in order for you to turn it on, you're going to be seeing for you page, your layout, everything here. You are going to be seeing it, and of course you are going to be seeing this place where it says create. And please, this is the right way for you to upload your videos on YouTube. Once ever you want to create or upload your videos, make sure you come to this place where it says create. Come to studio.youtube.com, and this place is where you're going to see your creates and everything, go live and all that. So basically, so that YouTube will start ranking you. So once you tap on create and you upload a video, YouTube is going to help you rank. Okay, it's going to be pushing your videos. So this is where you come to see your analytics and what people. So this is where you come to see your analytics, your trends, and what people are searching for. So this is what people are really searching for right now. So you see your trends, you see your audience, you also see your content, if you already created content and all that. And when you come down to this place at your left hand side, you come down, you're going to be seeing something that looks like a settings. So you tap on it. So it's your settings icon. So once you tap on it, you come to your channel. So you come to your channel. This is the most important place for you to add. So you need to add your country where you reside. If you want to do that, and make sure you come to this place to add keywords. Okay, this should be your keywords, what your YouTube is all about. Make sure you find really relevant keywords and put it. Okay, so you come to this place and make sure that all these things are turned on, where it says feature eligibility. So make sure you turn them on and make sure it is working. So all these things are the things had I known all this, I don't think I would have started uploading on my channel without getting all these things ready for my YouTube channel before uploading any video. So this place is your upload defaults. Okay, so this is your upload. This is where you add your tags. Yeah, this is where you make your video visibility, description, your title. Then this is where you have your advanced settings. So this is where you put your, this is where you're going to be putting your video category. And please, if you're still watching to this end, please make sure you have subscribed. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and please don't forget to like. Okay, so this is where you're going to be adding your category. If you're in autos and vehicles, comedy, education, entertainment, any kind of niche you find yourself into, so this is place where you're going to be tapping on what you are doing on your video. So this is, you're going to, so that when people search for your videos, they're going to be finding it. If it's people and blogs, then you make sure it's going to be on people and blogs. Okay, so this is all for this video, and I'm trying to find out what else. Please, if I didn't include anything for you, please make sure you ask questions below, and I'm going to be answering your questions. I'm going to be answering your question down the comment section. So thanks for watching, and thanks for being part of this video. So see you in my next video.